So you want to offer Victor to businesses as a service. That's exactly what I do. So welcome. Before we dive in, let me show you exactly what you're going to learn in this training. By the end, you'll know how to find businesses that need Victor, how to start talking about him without feeling salesy, and how to present the idea of an AI employee to an entire company. I'm also going to show you how to run the discovery meetings, turn what you learn into an actual implementation plan, and get Victor installed inside the business. And of course, we're going to talk about how you make money doing it because there are multiple ways to earn from every client. I'm going to walk you through the whole process from finding the business all the way through installation and ongoing support. But first, I want to show you how I got here because it definitely did not happen the way you might think. It started with the worst night of my professional career. I was in the middle of an AI challenge. People started getting texts saying that the challenge was starting in 2 hours. It wasn't. It was starting in 2 days. I still have PTSD from that whole situation. I'm not exaggerating, I really do. Around that same time, I saw an ad that was being run for Victor, and somebody was panicking inside a Slack channel, the same kind of channel my team used, and they were begging people to fix it, and nobody was available. Everybody had an excuse. And then they tag Victor with a question mark, and he responds, I'm on it. So I ended up downloading Victor for free that night. And the very first thing I asked him to do was go audit all those workflows in our system. And he did. He came back a few minutes later after auditing 220 of them. But here's what got me. I thought he was going to tell me how to fix it, like hand me a to do list. Instead, he told me he could fix it. And I was like, okay, then do that. And he did. In the middle of that same week, I was supposed to be monitoring some Google ads for a client. I had set the ads up myself because her budget was so small. I didn't want to cut into it by outsourcing, and they were not converting. And she was reaching out. I was so buried. So I just asked Victor, can you look at these and tell me what's wrong? And he came back and told me exactly what was wrong. And then he offered to fix it. And I said yes. And since then, every single week has been her best week ever. And it just keeps getting better. And that was the moment I started texting people, you need a Victor, and you need a Victor, and you need a Victor, because I knew if it helped my business, that it could definitely help theirs. And these were all kinds of businesses, totally different niches. And it didn't matter because he could adapt to every one of their businesses and serve them the same way he served me. And that's how this whole thing started. Not with a plan, but with a disaster, an ad, and 220 broken workflows. Okay, so let me give you the whole engine, start to finish. Then every video after this is going to take one of those steps and show you exactly how to do it. So don't really worry about catching every detail right now. Step one, it starts with a conversation. Usually just a phone call. I'm really not pitching anything. I'm just asking questions and finding out where things are falling through the cracks. Step two, I get invited to present to the whole company. I educate the team on what AI can and can't do, and I set expectations. Step three, I meet with each department one at a time. That's actually my favorite part. And it's where almost all of the magic happens. Step four, I take everything those departments tell me, I hand it to Victor, and then we build the implementation plan together. Step five, I do the install. I get Victor set up in their Slack or their Teams, and then I stay to help each department actually use him. And that's it, 5 steps. Every one of them is going to get their own video next. Now, before I tell you what I charge, I want to show you why companies happily pay it. One of my clients is a commercial plumbing company. After I met with each of their departments, I handed everything to Victor and he built out the actual return on investment for them based on exactly what their own people told me in those meetings. And here's what he laid out. An inside sales position they could eliminate entirely because Victor processes the service orders, he generates the quotes, and he follows up with the customers. That's a $45,000 to $65,000 a year salary fully loaded. And then an additional admin position that they could avoid hiring, that's 35 to 50,000 a year. Their billing person was spending 15 to 20 hours a week on invoicing, and Victor takes that down to about an hour a week. So all that time goes back to higher value work. Now, on the estimating side, about 2 hours of spec review per job times 700 bids a year, that's 1,400 hours a year recovered. And even if their bid follow up improved just by 1%, that's 7 more projects a year at their average contract value. Now, the whole thing was about a $90,000 investment. And Victor pointed out that eliminating just that one inside sales position alone basically gets them to break even. And that's before even counting the admin savings or the hours that they get back or the extra projects. And that's the kind of value that you walk in with. Now, you probably got here from an ad where I said I get paid thousands of dollars to install an AI employee in people's businesses. No, really. But this is the no, really part. Let me tell you how I actually landed on those numbers because at first I had no idea what to charge. So I called a mentor of mine. He advises multi-million-dollar business owners for a living. And I explained the whole situation to him. I told him there was a whole coaching industry out there teaching people how to build AI agents right now. And that Victor basically skips all of that and goes straight to the results. And here's what he told me, and it changed everything. He said, Melissa, I would never tell clients, go see my friend Melissa. She can show you how to build an AI agent. But I absolutely would tell them that she can install an AI employee in your business. And I would not charge less than $5,000 for that install. Now, the very next day is when I had that meeting with the plumbing company. And towards the end of that conversation, he asked me, how much? Now, I had my mentor's voice in my head. So I actually quoted 10,000 for the install. And they said, okay. And then they said, how much to actually use Victor every month? Now, this was a big company, about 25 people in the office and about 150 people in the field. So I said, honestly, for a company your size, I'm guessing somewhere between 5 and 10,000 a month. And they said, absolutely worth it. His words, absolutely worth it. If they can do the job of 5 people, it's absolutely worth it. And that's when I knew I was onto something. Now, after that, every conversation got easier. So now I'm sitting in boardrooms with multi-million-dollar companies, multiple divisions, multiple departments, sometimes multiple franchises, and the range of who hires me is absolutely wild. So here's a lesson. Charge what your market and your niche will allow. There's really no fixed price list. The value is enormous no matter what the company is. And the businesses that get a Victor, they're not going to nickel and dime you to death. When you work with Victor, you're going to get your own referral link. So anytime a business signs up through your link, you earn a percentage of what they spend for the next 12 months. And there's something in it for the business too. They get a discount on their first purchase, in addition to their free trial credits. So you're not just saying, hey, go check out Victor. You're actually giving them a really good reason to get started today. Let's talk about the free credits for a second, because this is probably going to be one of the first things people ask you about. Every new workspace starts with trial credits, and they may receive additional credits when more people are added to the workspace. So there can be a real advantage to getting the team set up from the very beginning instead of starting with only one person. But always check your Dub account before you quote the exact numbers. The offers can change, and you want to make sure you're giving people the most current information. Let me show you why this can become such a big deal. Let's say you install Victor inside a company, and that company eventually spends around $5,000 a month. As their implementation specialist, you earn a percentage of what they spend every single month for 12 months. That is recurring income from one company on top of whatever you charged for the installation and whatever you're charging for ongoing support. And it adds up faster than you think. Just make sure you check your Dub account for your current rate, because Victor is always adding new bonuses and finding more ways to reward implementation specialists. So that's 3 income streams from one client. You have the install, the monthly support, and the referral percentage, and stack a few of those together any way you want, and you start to see why I keep doing this. Let me tell you why right now is the moment for you. Victor is already installed in tens of thousands of businesses worldwide, and it's growing fast, like compounding on itself fast. You are early, and being early matters. Every time I walk into a room, most people are barely using ChatGPT, and that's the gap. That's your opportunity, and people will gladly pay you to shorten the learning curve for them. You're not selling software, you're selling the shortcut. And bonus, if you're already comfortable with AI, like if you use ChatGPT or Claude, or you use Victor, then this is just easy for you. Having a direct line to the Victor team helps too, especially once you land a big company and the questions get bigger. But you can absolutely do this. All right, I want to be straight with you about who this actually works for, because it's not for everyone. This is for you if you like people, if you're curious, if you can sit across from a stranger and ask question after question and actually listen for the answer. If you're the kind of person a room warms up to, that's pretty much the whole skill set. Everything technical, Victor handles. This is not for you if you want to hide behind a screen and never talk to a soul. This is a relationship business. You're walking into rooms, you're building trust, and you're becoming the person that they call when they want to have AI installed in their company. If this sounds like you're going to be really good at this. And honestly, the fact that you're still watching this tells me it probably is. So here's your homework before the next video. 3 things. 1, get yourself set up as a Victor partner so you can have your referral link ready. That's one of your income streams, and you want it locked in before your first client. 2, pick your niche, the world you already know. Start with where you already speak the language. For instance, I was a real estate broker for over a decade, so I speak real estate agent language really well. Maybe you are a plumber, electrician, or maybe you are in an industry where you're really familiar. Pick that to start with. And 3, write your 3 income streams on a sticky note and put it where you're going to see it: the install, the monthly support, the referral, because that's the business. I believe in seeing our goals and seeing those things every single day. Do these 3 things and then meet me in the next video where I'm going to show you exactly how to find these businesses and how to start that very first conversation. Let's go.